I am all kitted up. My boots were still freaking wet from last week, so I put some trash bags on my socks so that hopefully keeps them from getting wet. We'll see how this works. I'm feeling pretty comfortable right now, so I think we'll be good. We honestly got like an hour. It's starting to get a little bit darker out, but we got like an hour till it's 5:30, 5:40 before it's really dark. So let's freaking get a little rip in. I also did get my I got a set of new levers like I was talking about in the last video. Oh my god, it's like icy out here. This dirt's so hard. I got a new set of levers, so my brake lever's new. Clutch lever, nothing wrong with it. So I kept that. Look at this, just chunks of ice out here. Still popping. Whoa, that's not the right way. Well, that's not a good way to stay dry. Trash bags peeking through. What, jump over that? Let's see a demonstration real quick. Just a little brat over the creek thingy. Boom! Oof! Oh, we'll see. You kind of got to come from more angle, like over here. That makes it a little better. Like if you come from over here. That kind of worked. Okay. I slid the heck out. I slid the heck out over here.
Make a little berm right there, and then straight into that jump. You ain't gonna go as far, but.
Nah, yeah, you won't. I'll try it again. I couldn't get traction that time. Woo! A freaking cold day ripping. If you dress up alright, it's not too bad. The cold boots I was really sketching on. I put them by a fire for a little bit. But I think the trash bags are really saving me from getting the socks wet. Let's follow his line here. Got a couple cinder blocks just out on the trail. That's like an old house. You gotta hit it. We could go straight and like wrap back in too. Here, follow me through it. Look at that sunset. We got a little bit of light left. Where's the turn in even? Did I miss it? Right here? Yeah, go straight. Go boo. Kind of cut some new trail through here. That could be sick. Oh yeah, keep going in here, but can't. That was a pretty fun line though. And if we put a new face over it too, could be even sicker. Oh my god! Woo-hoo-hoo! I just slid out so much. Yeah, I mean, I got 4,234 miles. I think I got these tires around 2,000, maybe 2,500 miles. I don't know, but these front tires are getting cupped a little bit in the front. What the hell is this? Could probably use some new front tires, or maybe even a whole new set. The thing is with these Tusk Dual Sport tires, it's 125 for a set, so they may not last quite as long, but they've been good to me, I think. Yes, sir. What do we got cooking up now? Oh yes, a little maintenance. Well, that's been needing to be done. Yeah, so yeah, so y'all let me know. This is 4K. With the GoPro 9 though, the 4K you can only do 30 frames. I know I usually do 1080 at 60 frames. Go inside line. Yeah, so y'all have to let me know how the 4K is looking. I filmed this in 4K, and the video where we were at Weavers and did that Enduro trail, that should also be in 4K, but I haven't got the chance to review it yet. Oh, right there.
Oh, look.
What's up?
That little tutor that always kicks you, I just fucking cut that bitch out.
Oh, heck yeah. Oh yeah, we're getting some trail maintenance in today. It's starting to get dark out though, so we don't got much time left. Yeah, now we can kind of come through the inside. Just, whoa, a little hump there, but just rip right through. That should make it quicker. Look at all this stuff, it's just iced over. Boop. Not that heavy ice though. Oh yeah, that line's a lot better, I think. Woo! It's so slick today. That coldness makes it so much more slick. Alright, y'all, well that'll do it on this cold day. Woo! Starting to get dark. I think I'm gonna go ahead and turn the GoPro off. It'll probably start looking too bad here soon. But heck yeah, another little rip before dark. We're gonna keep them coming here. I think next week is actually looking a little warmer too, so that'll be nice. Made some new lines with that little jump over that. That was pretty sweet. But anyways, appreciate y'all watching. Check the links, and I'll see y'all in the next video. It's so dry. Woo! Whoa! We're done, boys. We're done. Peace.